Yeah.
All right, and then I want to see the THC value, total cannabinoids, 19.464 of that, 18.184% was THC. So this is, this is a decent cannabis. We don't care about all the specifics, but bottom line is it shows that what went into the machine had a tremendous amount of the psychoactive compound known as THC, THC 8 or 9, and of course the THCA. And now let's scroll down to post process, or that would be the next attachment over. So this verifies we had high THC in the product that Mo fed into the machine. Mm-hmm. And then the next one will show exactly what came out of it. Wow. Is that the next attachment, or are you still on the first attachment?
Just go back.
No, that's the one with the liquid. So that was the next attachment.
Okay, there it is. Yep, that's it. And look at that top line.
Wow.
0.028. And for all of you that don't know, the farm bill was 0.03 for considered allowable THC levels in hemp production.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So right now, cannabis is being hauled off the shelves and out of these labs that were rejected. And it's basically these guys are told to mix it with dirt, which is just absolutely insane. So when I was there meeting with them to explain a little bit more about who I was and why I was involved with these guys, I grabbed some of the sample of the flour as well as the pre-rolls. And then I grabbed some juice coming out of the back end and ran it to this lab group to test it. At that point, I then reached out to 3 different cannabis growers that I know of and trust to actually pull data over the years. I've worked with a lot of cannabis growers who promised to send me post-testing data so that we could actually kind of suss out, first of all, whether living soils actually increased or to what degree increased the compounds that we're looking for. And I've yet to get one of those completed, but this time I called 3 different people, sent them out samples. Most recently, I sent off both a solid and a liquid to Luna Whitcomb, and she's going to be doing some further data research on it. But so far, the feedback I have from Billy, and he's going to come on here in a minute. We're only half an hour in, which is great. And then also, anecdotally, the gentleman that's growing it for me on a side-by-side here in LA said that when he up-potted, the amount of white roots was insane versus without. So again, we're getting into stuff that we can't truly explain yet. I had a wonderful conversation with Elaine on Sunday.